exciting possibility of Jio 5G is ultra high speed fixed broadband. And since you get fiber-like speeds over the air without any wires, we are calling it Jio Air Fiber. With Jio Air Fiber, it is now really easy and really quick to connect your home or office to Gigabit Speed Internet. We've developed a Jio Air Fiber home gateway, which is a wireless, simple, single device solution. Get it, plug it in and turn it on. And that's it. You now have a personal Wi-Fi hotspot in your home which is connected to ultra high speed internet using True 5G. And on top of that, because it's an end-to-end wireless solution, there are no wires coming into your home or creating a tangle inside. With such a simple process, literally hundreds of millions of homes and offices can be connected to ultra high speed broadband, that too in a very short period of time. And India can once again be in the top 10 nations even for fixed broadband.